Alrighty, let's go. All right, good trade for the day. Again, we ended up catching some longs in the morning. Very good, very easy day. So again, coming into the day here, I was very bullish. Reason why I was bullish is because we tapped into the daily and we started reacting higher. So I was like, okay, this is very bullish. And then I looked at the 4 hour here, tapped into it, closing above. And then the only thing that I was hesitant here for the day was I was thinking this high was going to be a protected high because we finished this buy model. So I was afraid that this was going to be a protected high. I was afraid to take this trade, but I realized the daily profile of the day. And the daily profile was Asia manipulated lower, London distributed. So it's a New York continuation day. So I was like, all right, New York continuation. So we're most likely going to come to this range and revert from here. So again, 9:30 open lower. We swept this 5-minute low, tapped into the hourly in a discount. Again, we have a range, tapped into in discount, tapped into, which is equilibrium. We tapped into a higher time for PDRA, which is this hourly. We swept this intermediate term low, and then high time from inversion was the 5 to the 5. Mechanical trade, but we know where the draw is. So this was break even. I waited for a tap back in, like right around here. My fill was monstrous, bro. So I entered 4 cons here, and I was like, damn, I'm actually super like under risked here. I was risking like 280. My fill was literally like awesome, bro. It was perfect. And then I was like, damn, bro, I'm risking so little. So I actually added a contract once we closed into the order block. I added one more here, and then my fill was like around here. So yeah, it was like around here, something like this. Why can't I move this? Okay. Like this. It was around here. So then I was like, all right, like, and initially I had, bro, like this was kind of dumb, like of me. So initially I forgot. I was looking at trading. I was looking at my trading view. So I thought my fill was still here because that's where I had it marked up. So I partialed one here, and I'm like, damn, why did I only make $80 on one partial? Obviously I'm on M&Q, but I was like, damn, that's not even a 1-to-1. I'm bugging. And like, again, I made a little bit of a mistake there, but it is what it is. Well, actually, no. If it's here, it was almost a 1-to-1 because it's 86. I made 80 or 81, 80, I think, on this. So I was like, all right, like whatever. And I was like, it doesn't matter. Like I partialed the equal highs. I thought it was a 1-to-1. That's my mistake. I didn't care. Then I partialed 2 here at the intermediate term high, and then I partialed 1 here, and then 1 more here. Again, I know it's only 7 points difference, but the reason I partialed here is because, again, I was afraid that this would be a protected high, and I didn't want, again, 10 a.m. open higher here too. I didn't want us to sweep this and then revert lower, and this is a protected high. So I was like, I'll just partial 1 here. It's only 5 or 6 point difference, and I'm a hard trail. So once we tapped, once we tap here, I partialed 1 again, and I didn't like how we wicked once and twice and closed. So I was like, I'm a partial 1. And then we tapped a 2-minute. Once we took this high, I literally hard trailed to this low because I wanted to see London session high, and then it hit again to the daily profile. So we're looking at daily profiles. Where is it? Again, Asia manipulated lower, London distributed, New York continuation. So I expect this to keep going higher, but again, I'm done for the day. All I need is previous session highs, and that's it. Again, we have my range, equilibrium, higher time for PD rate, sweep, higher time for inversion, boom, and I'm putting my stop loss at this order block. Again, very simple. Good trading day. I'm done. Okay. With that being said, I hope you guys have a good day. If you guys have any questions to why I took this trade, leave it in the comment section below. If you guys took the same trade, good job. I know it's before 10 a.m. news again, but it inversed within the 950 macro, so I was really confident in this trade. It's pretty simple. It was a nice way to be back. A nice little break for 4 days to be off the charts. We come back really confident, really process focused, and we're up. So I'm really happy. So yeah. Other than that, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's trade recap. Peace.